anyone, upon meeting Leah and Andrew, knows instantly that they are each other's best friends, and knew from the second I met them that they were destined to be together.
Marriage is a divine gift that brings together two people in love, and today we celebrate the journey that has led Andrew and Leah to this moment.
Chase down a brand new adventure.
It's hard to believe that my little brother, the boy who was scared of It's a Bug's Life, is standing here as the groom. The day you were born, I got one of my best friends for life.
Andrew has always been a very driven individual. His determination and passion is something that has helped him throughout his whole life, and he never lets anything slow him down.
Leah, I hate to break it to you, but you're officially stuck with us. And for that, I am so grateful. You are truly one of the kindest, most caring, and patient people, so it's easy to see why Andrew fell for you.
Making the climb, taking the dive, deep into the wild.
Leah's calm nature balances Andrew's excitement. But it's clear they both share each other's passion for one another.
Our dreams on the horizon.
Leah, from the moment we met, I knew my life had changed forever. You have made me the happiest man and have brought meaning to my world.
From the very beginning, you've shown me what it means to live life with passion, to care deeply, and to always put your heart into everything you do.
I feel incredibly grateful to stand here today, promising to love you for all of my days.
Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, we're gathered here today in the presence of God to witness the union of Andrew and Leah in holy matrimony.
I promise to always find joy in the everyday moments with you. I promise to celebrate your victories as if they were my own, and to lift you up when you stumble.
I vow to always be your partner, your confidant, and your best friend. I promise to support you through all of life's challenges and to celebrate with you in all of life's triumphs.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Andrew, you may kiss your bride.
You are my heart, my home, my happily ever after. I love you more than words express, and I can't wait to start our forever together.
I can't wait for the journey ahead with you. Leah, I love you now and always.
Andrew and Leah, may you always find reasons to laugh together, even when life gets tough. May you continue to grow together, dream together, and build a life filled with joy.
I'm very, very happy seeing him and Leah together. They're probably like the coolest couple I've ever seen.
We're thrilled for both of you, and we're blessed to be able to celebrate this day with you and everyone you love.
Deep into the wild. Deep into the wild.
Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and happily ever after. Congratulations.